Today we're going to be walking through how to add a new user to your Google Analytics property. So once you locate the property that you want to add a new user to, I've actually set up a test account here. You're going to want to go down to Admin. And once you get to this page, you'll see three different options for user management, starting with Account User Management, Property User Management, View User Management. Account management allows you to add a user at the topmost level, giving them the most access to all your properties underneath and views. Property level management gives them access to that, like a specific property, as well as all the views within that property. And then view management allows access only at a certain view level. Typically, I recommend doing account level management when you're working with an agency or someone who needs access to various properties potentially. So we're going to click into that. And then once you're in here, you can see all the account permissions and users that you've added. Right in the right corner, you can see a plus sign. You're going to want to click on that and then click Add Users. Once in here, you can enter in the email for the person that you want to add. So I'm going to do designzillas@gmail.com. And you choose to notify this user by email that they've been added, which is always good to do just to let them know. And then they have permission access here where you can set, edit, collaborate, read, and analyze, and manage users' permissions. I'm just going to add the normal ones right now and click Add. And as simple as that, they've been added. Now that you've added some users to your Google Analytics account, you may want to change the permissions that you gave them access to. To do this, we're going to go into User Management again. Then locate the user that you want to change access for. In this case, I'm going to go to this user and then select these three dots. And then View User's Account Details. Once in here, you can see all the access that they have. In this case, I'm going to go to this profile and then choose the little pencil icon here. And then once in this view, you can select any further access that you want to give. You can also remove access. So I can remove access completely or for each box. In this case, I'm going to add access for edit, collaborate, read, and analyze. And I'm going to click Save. And then you're going to see that update here. And as simple as that, we've just changed the access.